been in Goodwood for so many years. So, but we distribute food any part of Cape Town.
This is your work here?
Yeah, that's my work.
This is how you pay your bills?
That is how I pay my bills. I take care of my kids. So, and I take care of myself and my family back home.
That is very wonderful.
Yes, 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 yes.
Hello, wonderful people. It's your boy again, Chukwemeka Ojemba Igbo. I'm right here in the district of Paro.
Yeah.
Right here in Cape Town, the Eastern Cape or Western Cape.
Western Cape.
Western Cape. All right. As you all know, we are in the mission of sensitizing our people to show the good side of every Igbo man.
Yes.
A lot of time ago, some time ago, we've been accused of so many things. The identity of an Igbo man has been somehow, I will use that word, somehow battered by the media, and they have shown only the negative part of our young people. You are right here. Since when have you been here?
I've been here since 2011. 2011, yeah.
2011.
Yes.
And so how has it been with you?
Yeah, we've so far so good. Been surviving by God's grace with our hard work. Yeah, I'm a chef.
All right.
I do with food. Yeah, I cook varieties of food. All our Igbo native food.
Okay.
Any local food.
All right.
Yeah, we do abacha, nkwobi.
Wow.
All the whole Enugu state food, Anambra food, Imo state food, anything Igbo food. That's what we sell.
And you have a lot of patronage, eh?
Yes,
okay.
That is what I'm surviving with.
All right, I am actually doing this particular interview with English language so that every person who is not from the Igbo identity can connect. So,
yes.
Brother, how have you been able to distribute, and also how have the law of South Africa been faring with you?
Yes. For the distribution, we distribute every side of Western Cape, as long as it's Western Cape. Yeah, we go to every place. When we cook our food, people place order and we distribute, and we work with a boat and Uber Eats.
Okay.
Yeah. So, and the government has been so far so good. We've been trying our best.
Okay.
So they allow us. We can sell with our car.
Okay.
Coming to where our people are in the streets to deliver food to them, to make sure they feed the body that works the money.
Yeah, exactly.
Yes.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So, tell us, are you connected to an app, like any person that needs food? How do you do that?
Yes.
How do they connect with you? Is it through phone or through like an online booking that you can book? Okay.
Yes. You can get me by Uber Eats.
Okay.
Uber Eats. Yeah.
Register with them.
Yes. Celebrity chef.
How does that work?
When you open your app, then people start to place order. When people order for food, then you deliver to them.
Okay.
Yes.
All right.
Yes.
All right. This is actually wonderful. Tell us your name and also where you are coming from.
Okay. My name is Big. My friends call me Biggie, but my name is Ifeanyi Chukwu.
Fine.
From Enugu State.
All right.
Yes. I stay in Goodwood.
Goodwood.
Yeah, Goodwood. Okay. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, I've been in Goodwood for so many years. So, but we distribute food any part of Cape Town.
This is your work here?
Yeah, that's my work.
This is how you pay your bills?
That is how I pay my bills. I take care of my kids. So, and I take care of myself and my family back home.
That's very wonderful.
Yes, yes.
All right. I thank you all for joining us here. This is Namen TV show. All we are asking is for you to share this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also our Facebook page, Namen TV. We're also on X and also TikTok. Thank you and God bless you.
Yes.